Ever walk down a bustling city street, mesmerized by the vibrant glow of neon signs? Those dazzling hues painting the night sky, are they just pretty lights, or could they be hiding a darker side? Today, we're diving deep into the world of neon, exploring whether those iconic signs are truly harmless or if there's a potential downside to their brilliance. Neon signs have captivated us for over a century. Their unique glow, born from the passage of electricity through rarefied gases, has become synonymous with urban life. From classic diner signs to the dazzling displays of Times Square, neon has shaped our visual landscape. But beyond their aesthetic appeal, questions linger. Do these luminous displays pose any risks? Could their radiant energy be detrimental to our health or the environment? Let's tackle the most pressing concerns. UV radiation. Neon signs, particularly those containing mercury, can emit some UV radiation. However, the amount is generally considered minimal and unlikely to cause significant harm to passers-by. Modern neon signs often incorporate filters to minimize UV output. Blue light emission. Some argue that the blue light emitted by neon signs, similar to that from electronic devices, can disrupt sleep patterns. While prolonged exposure to blue light at night can interfere with melatonin production, the impact of brief encounters with neon signs is likely negligible. Environmental impact. Traditional neon signs containing mercury pose a potential environmental hazard if not properly disposed of. Thankfully, advancements in neon technology have led to the development of mercury-free alternatives, such as LED signs, which offer similar aesthetics with a significantly reduced environmental footprint. While concerns exist, it's important to acknowledge the potential benefits of neon signs. Energy efficiency. Modern neon signs, especially LED-based ones, are highly energy efficient, consuming significantly less power than traditional incandescent lighting. Longevity. Well-maintained neon signs can last for decades, minimizing the need for frequent replacements and reducing electronic waste. Aesthetic appeal. There's no denying the unique charm and artistic value of neon signs. They add a vibrant touch to urban landscapes, contributing to a city's character and cultural identity. So, are neon signs bad for you? The answer is nuanced. While some concerns regarding UV radiation and blue light emission exist, the risks to human health are generally considered minimal. The environmental impact depends largely on the type of neon sign and its disposal methods. With advancements in technology, modern neon signs are becoming increasingly eco-friendly and energy efficient. Ultimately, the impact of neon signs on our health and environment depends on factors such as the specific design, usage patterns, and responsible disposal practices. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.